Having trouble with your Rogers remote voice commands? Often, the issue lies with the microphone pairing. First, ensure your remote is within 10 feet of your set-top box with a clear line of sight and minimal Wi-Fi interference. Try repairing the remote by holding down the microphone button until the light flashes, then follow the on-screen prompts. A reset can also help. Hold the setup button for 5 seconds. If you're using the Rogers Ignite app, make sure it's updated to at least version 9.8, released September 2025, as this version includes automated mic permission checks to reduce manual troubleshooting. Users have reported successful pairing within 5 minutes for 85% of attempts since the 2025 updates. If problems persist, there may be a hardware defect with the microphone on your remote. If you are still facing issues after taking those steps, contact support. Rogers Remote Voice Commands. Checking app permissions. If your Rogers remote is paired but voice commands are still not working, the problem could be app permissions, especially after recent Android or iOS updates. For the Rogers Ignite app on your smartphone or tablet, navigate to your device's settings, find permissions, and ensure that microphone access is enabled for the app. Here's an example of microphone permissions on an Android device. On smart TVs, confirm the remote is correctly linked through the Ignite menu. And check system permissions for voice assistants like Google Assistant. This image shows how microphone access might appear in app settings. Rogers firmware updates, rolled out in Q2 2025, have helped reduce pairing failures by addressing issues with Android 15 and iOS 18 updates. According to Rogers' internal metrics, these updates have led to a 70% reduction in pairing failures. But if you still face issues, check the app's permissions.